Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and this is a quick video on how to use the toolbar. The toolbar is accessible from anywhere on the site and is where you'll find materials, your saved items, and access your classes and your students. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you have logged in, you'll see three options at the top: Materials, Saved, and Classroom. Materials is where you'll find everything on the site. When you click the arrow, the drop-down menu appears and you can choose from lessons, flashcards, our games, polls and dilemmas, and much more. To the right, you'll see Saved. Saved is where you find your folders, any flashcard sets you've saved, as well as your likes. The last option is Classroom. Classroom is where you'll find your classes and your students. When you click Classes from the drop-down menu, you're brought to your Classroom page. You can use the search filter to search for a specific class. And to the right, you can filter the class list by active or archived. Under the Students tab, which is also accessible from the toolbar by clicking the arrow and clicking Students, is where you'll find the list of all of the students in all of your classes. You can search for a specific student using the search tool. And if you know what class a specific student you're looking for is in, you can filter by classes. The Students page is also where you can find your active students and your archived students. The Students page is a great way to keep track of how many students are connected to your account and using student licenses. If there are any students you no longer teach and want to invite new ones to take their place, you can archive them by clicking the three dots and clicking Archive Student. And clicking Archived from the Students page is where you'll find them. If you ever want to make these archived students active again, you can click the three dots from the archive list and click Restore Student. That's it for this video on how to use the toolbar. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.